How to get subscription on Amazon Prime. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can get subscription on Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to get subscription on Amazon Prime, it's actually quite simple. But for this, you have to come to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I will also make sure to drop a direct link below, amazon.com/Amazon Prime. Once you're here, you can simply log into one of your accounts as you would be able to find it, which could be your free Amazon account, or you can create a free Amazon account right away. And then here you'll find the option called Start Your Free 30-Day Trial. So all you have to do is tap this option here, known as Start Your Free 30-Day Trial option. And here you should be able to see all the Prime benefits that you get with the Prime subscription. And underneath it, you will be able to select a payment method such as a gift card balance, your credit or debit card, your Venmo account, and so forth. So you have to go and enter those details, tap on continue, and you'll have successfully gotten the subscription on Amazon Prime. This way you can get subscription on Amazon Prime. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.